Hello guys, welcome to the show, and behind the covers, we have another 190. So let's have a look. So it's a 2.6 golden color. You can't really know right now because it's covered, but it's been sitting here for quite a while, I think over a year, undercover, so hopefully it's not too bad. But it's a 2.6, it has AC, which it doesn't work of course, and it's automatic. So give me a second, we'll pull the cover off and put that guy in there, hopefully, and just drive it back up there. Wish me luck. Alright, I got the keys. It's a little bit, it's sight unseen sort of a purchase. Yeah. Alright, so one good door card. The seat is questionable, but not too bad. It has the taxi beams on it, which is always a plus. We'll put these back on there, you know. Gotta have them. Yep. Nice and comfy. Nope. It's in neutral. 145,000 miles. There's all the documentation and stuff like that for it. We have everything. Owner's manual and stuff like that. Glove box is empty. Nice repair on the door card. It's a little bit dirty and stuff. He's robbed a little bit of a parts of it to fix the fire damage one, like the door card and whatnot. And still have wing mirrors. The badge is in good condition. The mirrors are nice. Oh, this is locked. That's not. Yeah, door card is missing out of here. Let me open that one up there somehow. There we go, that's open now. Yeah, so these are from the other car. The seller that sold me the car, he had the black one, the black 190 that was on the channel. He robbed some parts to fix that one. Nice repair on the door cards, you know. He just sent a million screws down the door. Not too bad. Big old speakers in the back. Alex is pointing at them. Boot is empty and leaky, as usual. You know, normal stuff. Two more hubcaps. These are premium. And good old badge, 2.6. Let's throw a battery in it, see how it does.
What should I do? Just film the engine? That's sick.
No way.
First time.
No way.
No.
No.
Straight. That's fucking sick.
What? I don't even believe it. Well, I guess I have to. I'm looking at it. Alright, come on, battery, let's go.
That's fucking sick. Holy shit. I didn't expect it to be that smooth.
Dude, he showed me a video.
Especially because, like, when I saw that 2014, so what's that? The last time it was basically run.
Yeah.
It's nuts.
And it's been like sitting for over a year here. And it runs so good.
That is actually banging, bro.
What? No way.
Except for a little bit of egg. That's perfect.
Yeah. Alright. driving behind me?
Yeah, I'll follow you just in case.
There we go. That's working.
That is fucking really.
So yeah, we make a 5-minute trip of the garage, check it over real quick, do MOT on it, and back on the streets. She has insurance and all that stuff, so I'm gonna taxi on my way to the garage now because we have a post office and we're good to go. Can't believe it. It even comes with a half a tank of fuel. There we go, we move it. Maiden voyage. There we go, Alex is coming. Here's a good pickup. The electricals don't work. That's to be expected. Right, I'll see you at the garage. So there it is. He's back home. Wipers work, all the lights work. I need a set of door cards and seats. If anybody has one for sale, let me know. It will need a respray, but right now I'm gonna give the keys to my friend Jeff to take it for MOT, and yeah, get it on the road, start driving. So this is it for now. I'll see you guys later. So I came to buy some fuel for the next project car, and I saw a car wash. So I was like, let's give it a first car wash since we have it. It's only £5, and my shoes won't be wet, I hope. So there we go, car wash. Very hard work. Missed the spot. There we go. First wash in a decade almost. And it looks exactly the same like before. So that's a plus. Let's go. Surroundings around me, you can probably guess where I'm at. Yep, Ram Garage again. Today we're doing a gearbox service in the new daily driver, the 2.6 190E. We have done this before on the channel. But hey, let's do it again, and it's a little bit of a service manual history for the car. So for the next buyer, if there is a next buyer at some point, I can just say, look, there you go. That's when the gearbox was done, and that's how I did it. So let's crack on with that. The car is already set up on the ramp. We're gonna lift it up, have a look underneath, and yeah, see if we see anything that needs repairing, replacing, bodging, whatever. So let's go up. And let's have a look under the car. Okay. This is good. This is good, but it had a whack, like a big one. That's why the side skirt is broken. Exhaust is in remarkable condition. Still Mercedes one. Gearbox is not leaking, but probably rear main seal is a little bit weeping. And yeah, I don't know if you can tell by that, but front seal is weeping a bit. Maybe together with the front timing cover gasket as well. Shocks are gone. You have a new set for the front and for the back. Oh, they're two different shocks. One is red, the other one is black. Well, I think so. I don't know. Interesting repair here on the AC. Oh, that's not repair, that's just the rubber. Okay. the compressor spins. I need to check if it actually turns on. This is a bit crude, it might need changing. But overall, it's quite nice and neat. There's not much rust. It's quite a clean car actually for the price that we. Oh, okay. That's interesting. And that would be my fault. Oh, here's a rear box, maybe one time. It's blowing from the back and from the front. Okay, not bad. Yeah, this is me. I pretty much lifted the back box with a zip tie, but I didn't notice that. So I have ruined my rear donut. That needs to be replaced. Well, it didn't need, but now it needs. There's oil all under the car. That's old oil. That's probably from all the leaks underneath. Oh, new donut over there, look. Brand spanking new. Well, now I need to get one for the back as well. But at least that will be done. Prop bearing, very nice. Right, let's get after this. Okay. Oh yeah. Wow, look at the color of this. This is meant to be freaking red. And it's black. That, I believe, is mostly drained. So I'm gonna get a 27mm spanner, put it on the crank over here, and rotate it until I can see the drain on the torque converter. Judging by this, not much fluid came out. So it's probably still the original liquid inside. Alright, I'm using Pole's vise for a tripod because I am incredibly lazy to go and get my actual tripod out of the garage. Oh, come on. Engine mounts I need replacing. Thing is on the sway bar. Almost there. I think. Yes. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, not much in here as well. I'm hoping the slippage is less. I don't know. Filter. Right, that's clean. Make sure you don't move the gasket somehow when putting it on. Right. This is done. Nice and clean. Oil filter done. Time to put some fluids and get out of here and go play with little Alex. So yeah, let me lower this down, get the fluid opened and start putting fluid in. So see you in a minute. Okay. Air filtration system. I mean, everything, transmission oil, might as well just try and pour it myself. So this is it, it's all done. Gearbox service done, fuel filter done, air filter done. As I said, follow Ramp Garage on Instagram, Facebook. He's based in Iver, Slough, so anytime that you need a ramp or quick oil change and stuff like that, give him a shout. The rates are really good. He's nice and friendly. As you can see, the garage is open sometimes late, so give him a shout if you need any work done or if you need a ramp rented. He's the man for you. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. We're doing shocks and tires.